If you've ever experienced the pain of arthritis, especially in your knees, you know how frustrating it can be. Simple movements become painful, and suddenly, everyday tasks feel like a challenge. But what if I told you that there are easy, natural ways to get relief? In this video, I'm going to share 10 simple tips that can help you eliminate joint pain without relying on medications or invasive treatments. Whether you've got arthritis in your knee, hands, or shoulders, these tips are designed to target the root of the problem and get you moving again. So, stick around. You might be surprised how easy it is to finally feel better. Now, before we dive into these tips, let's quickly talk about what's going on when you're dealing with joint pain. Arthritis is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's not just one thing. It comes in many forms. The most common types are osteoarthritis, which happens from wear and tear, and rheumatoid arthritis, which is actually caused by your immune system attacking your joints. Either way, the result is the same: pain, swelling, and stiffness that can make even the simplest movements difficult. Whether it's your knees, your hands, or even your shoulders, arthritis can show up in different places. But the good news is, there are ways to manage it naturally. So, let's jump into some easy and effective tips to help you find relief. Alright, let's dive into some easy and natural solutions, starting with foods and supplements that have been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and relieve joint pain. Tip 1. Turmeric. First on the list is turmeric. You've probably seen it used in curries and golden milk, but turmeric is more than just a flavorful spice. It contains an active ingredient called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, studies show that curcumin can be just as effective as over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs, without the side effects. If you're dealing with knee arthritis or even rheumatoid arthritis, adding turmeric to your meals can help manage pain and reduce stiffness over time. You can sprinkle it on vegetables, mix it into soups, or even take it in capsule form. It's a natural, easy way to target inflammation from the inside out. Tip 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Next up, omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for your overall health, and they're particularly helpful when it comes to joint pain. Found in fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as flax seeds and walnuts, omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the body, especially in areas like your knees, hands, and even your shoulders. The best part? They don't just reduce inflammation, they also help lubricate your joints, making movement smoother and less painful. So whether you're struggling with arthritis in your knees or general joint stiffness, incorporating more omega-3 rich foods into your diet, or even taking a high-quality fish oil supplement can make a huge difference over time. And remember, consistency is key here. It's not an overnight fix, but with regular intake, you'll start to feel the benefits. Tip 3. Ginger. Finally, let's talk about ginger. This root has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and for good reason. Ginger works similarly to turmeric when it comes to fighting inflammation. It contains compounds called gingerols, which help reduce the pain and swelling that often come with arthritis. Whether you're dealing with knee arthritis or pain in your hands, ginger can offer relief. You can grate fresh ginger into your tea, add it to stir-fries, or take it in supplement form. Plus, ginger has other health benefits too. It's great for digestion and boosting your immune system. So, not only are you helping your joints, but you're also supporting your overall health at the same time. Now that we've covered some powerful foods and supplements, let's shift gears to exercises and movement. One of the best ways to combat joint pain, especially knee arthritis, is to keep moving. I know it might sound counterintuitive, but regular gentle movement can actually help reduce stiffness and improve your range of motion. Here are a few exercises that are easy to do and can bring lasting relief. Tip 4. Low-impact exercises. When you're dealing with arthritis, especially in the knees, high-impact exercises can do more harm than good. That's why low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or even walking are your best friends. Swimming, in particular, is a fantastic full-body workout that takes all the pressure off your joints while letting you build strength and flexibility. The water supports your body, allowing you to move freely without the added stress on your knees or other joints. Cycling is another great option. Whether you're riding outside or on a stationary bike, it helps strengthen the muscles around your knees, which in turn reduces joint pain. Even a simple daily walk can do wonders for your joints, as long as you take it slow and steady. The key here is to keep the movement gentle and consistent. Your joints need that circulation boost, and low-impact exercises offer just that without causing additional damage. Tip 5. Stretching and yoga. Next up, let's talk about stretching and yoga. Incorporating stretching exercises into your routine is a great way to relieve joint pain, especially in areas like your shoulders, hips, and legs. Yoga in particular has been shown to improve flexibility, balance, and even reduce the symptoms of arthritis. There are specific yoga poses that focus on opening up your joints and strengthening the muscles around them, which helps reduce pain and stiffness. You don't have to be a yoga expert to get started. Simple poses like the cat-cow stretch, child's pose, and seated forward bends can make a big difference over time. If you're new to yoga, consider starting with a beginner class either online or in person to make sure you're doing the poses correctly. The best part? Yoga also promotes mindfulness and relaxation, which can help manage the stress that often accompanies chronic pain. Tip 6. Strengthening exercises. Strengthening the muscles around your joints is crucial for long-term pain relief, especially if you have knee arthritis. Strong muscles help support your joints, reducing the pressure on them during movement. One simple exercise you can try is the wall sit. All you have to do is lean against a wall, slide down as if you're sitting in an invisible chair, and hold the position for about 30 seconds. This targets your quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thighs, which play a key role in supporting your knees. You can also try leg raises or hamstring curls to build strength in your legs. For shoulder or hand arthritis, simple resistance band exercises or light dumbbells can help strengthen the muscles around those joints. Remember, when you're strengthening your muscles, start slow and increase the intensity as you feel more comfortable. Over time, you'll notice that stronger muscles lead to less joint pain and better overall mobility. Now that we've covered exercises and movement, let's dive into a couple of natural remedies that are simple to incorporate into your routine and can provide real relief from joint pain. These remedies have been used for centuries and are easy to apply at home, so let's get into it. Tip 7. Epsom salt baths. One of the most relaxing and effective natural remedies for joint pain is an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral known for its ability to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease joint pain. When you soak in an Epsom salt bath, your skin absorbs the magnesium, which helps reduce the stiffness and discomfort caused by arthritis, especially in areas like your knees, shoulders, and hands. It's particularly effective after exercise or a long day of moving around. To try it, simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm bath water and soak for about 20 minutes. This remedy is not only great for your joints, but also for your overall relaxation. So it's a win-win. If you don't have time for a full bath, you can soak just your feet or hands in a basin with warm water and Epsom salt. The relief might surprise you. Tip 8. Hot and cold therapy. Another simple yet highly effective remedy for joint pain is alternating between hot and cold therapy. It's a tried and true method that can bring immediate relief when you're dealing with arthritis flare-ups. Heat therapy, like using a heating pad or taking a warm shower, helps increase blood flow to stiff joints, relaxing muscles, and soothing pain. This is especially helpful if you wake up feeling stiff in the morning. On the other hand, cold therapy works wonders for reducing swelling and inflammation. Using an ice pack or a bag of frozen vegetables wrapped in a cloth can numb the area and ease the sharp pain that often comes with arthritis. The trick is knowing when to use each therapy. Use heat before you exercise to loosen up your joints and muscles, and apply cold afterward if you experience swelling or pain. This simple combination of hot and cold can be a powerful tool for managing joint pain in the knees, hands, shoulders, or any other affected areas. We've gone through some great tips so far, but these last 2 are all about making lasting changes that can have a huge impact on joint pain over time. Let's talk about how your lifestyle can play a major role in eliminating joint pain naturally. Tip 9. Weight management. One of the most significant factors affecting joint pain, particularly in the knees, is weight. Carrying extra weight puts additional pressure on your joints, which can exacerbate arthritis and lead to more pain and inflammation. Studies show that even losing a small amount of weight, just 5 to 10% of your body weight, can significantly reduce joint pain, especially for people with knee arthritis. If you think about it, every pound you lose takes 4 pounds of pressure off your knees. That's huge. Now, I know weight loss can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be drastic. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your diet and daily activity. Swapping out sugary snacks for fruits, drinking more water, and taking short walks can all add up to a noticeable difference in how your joints feel. Not only will your knees thank you, but you'll also feel better overall. Tip 10. Improve your posture. Good posture is often overlooked, but it can make a world of difference in reducing joint pain. When you slouch or sit in awkward positions, you put extra strain on your joints. especially in areas like your back, shoulders, and knees. Over time, this can lead to chronic pain. By improving your posture, whether you're sitting at a desk or lifting something heavy, you can take the pressure off your joints and prevent further damage. One simple trick to improve posture is to make sure your shoulders are back and down, your chest is open, and your spine is aligned when you're sitting or standing. It may feel a bit strange at first, but it's worth the effort. You can even try using ergonomic chairs or standing desks to help maintain better posture throughout the day. This small change can have big rewards when it comes to eliminating joint pain, especially for those dealing with arthritis in the shoulders or knees. There you have it. 10 easy, natural tips to help you eliminate joint pain, whether you're dealing with knee arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or general stiffness in your joints. From anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and ginger to low-impact exercises and natural remedies like Epsom salt baths, these tips can bring real relief without relying on medications. Remember, consistency is key. The more you incorporate these habits into your daily routine, the better your joints will feel over time. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips to keep you feeling your best.